His record stuck.
Hey!
Y'all messed him up.
I didn't do nothing.
We said something about crazy. It's always pretty wet.
That's what was so
Did
funny.
you cut him off?
I guess.
Just squeeze his
Let his
hand.
record down.
The other one. The other hand. Yeah, that one. Whoosh! Does it still work? Yeah! He lost his button.
Hello?
Hello?
No.
Maybe his battery died.
I think his battery's dead.
But that was kind of funny.
There he goes again.
Grandma, what'd you do this time?
I just turned it on.
It kind of reminds me of a humping dog.
Yeah.
He starts and he can't stop. No, don't do that.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
What kind of battery does it take?
I don't know.
Open him up.
Here, it's your job.
Let's go give him an animal.
An enema?
I'll put that on Facebook.